Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got POCO C71 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and then find the sound and vibration. Then let's scroll down and find phone ringtone. And as you can see here, we've got the pop-out window with pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top, we've got the option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the very bottom, we've got this option Add Ringtones, so we can choose something from your own files. If you've got something, for example, downloaded, you will be able to choose it and set it as a ringtone. If you'd like to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it, and then your device will play it so you can check whether you like it or not. So let's pretend I want this revelation to be set as my ringtone. So just make sure that the option Black to Use is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.